when we're driving blind. Just keep the faith that's inside you. Look around and you will see. Before the thunder, this lightning, we've got a chance. See the rain before it comes. Well, I've got children of Friday. Just ask our Father to guide the way. A path can take you anywhere you want to go, and I believe it's in your hands. Be sure you know. Look around and you see it. Watch the road to go on.